Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to find and of course how to use or for what you are going to use your warning triangle on your Audi A4 S401. First step is of course we're going to have a look at our bootlet, okay? Because there is the warning triangle. We have the warning triangle at the bootlet area. To remove the warning triangle, we push the tab in the anti-clockwise direction, okay? And then we pull the retainer down. Then, of course, we're going to remove it, yeah? We open the top cover, turn the catch, fold down the cover. We pull the warning triangle out of the retainer. The retainer on the bootlet is specifically designed to hold the warning triangle supplied as an audio genius necessary, of course. And then we have a warning triangle in our hand. This is, together with the warning lights, used in order to secure a traffic accident sign. The legal rules in the individual states partly order a warning triangle to be brought in the vehicles. The warning triangle consists of 3 reflecting beams, similar to a cat's eye and a stable foot. Except from this form, which is prescribed in road traffic, there are also collapsible signals or triangles used by emergency services, but also for short road closures by other firms, weather workers in the road, perhaps gas workers or power brands. Collapsible signals also have further inscriptions. As the example, we are going to use this if there is a traffic accident. We are going to warn other drivers on the road that there will be an accident in front of them. So you go 50 meter or 100 meter far away from the from the accident and get this triangle on the road side, and then we get an information for others. Okay, really important, of course. Yeah, it's really important to make this. Where the law is a minimum distance of 100 meters in the case of a fast traffic, such as motorways, you have to get this if there is an accident. And if the accident is done, so we can go back to the car, do not forget your warning triangle because it stands on the road, of course. You should get this and fold this back into position. As you can see how you perform this, it's a little bit tricky because there are areas which we have to get them back and push this together again, and we are going to get a reinstalling of that. Maybe it costs you a little bit longer that you fold this together, of course, but you can perform this, of course. Yeah, there it is. And then we get this back in the box, and if we have got this back in the box, we go to our bootlet again, and the warning triangle can be stored back there, and it is ready for the next where, of course, if there is a traffic accident again, for example. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.